Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Brent Council Tax login portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Brent Council Tax login. Then go to My Account, sign in Brent Customer Portal, or go to customerportal.brent.common.uk/myaccount. Once a page has been loaded up, enter your email address, then your password. Then click on I'm not robot, then press continue. Then you should be able to access your Brent Control Tax portal. And if you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password. And if you are new to Brent, you can create an account by clicking Create an Account. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.